You got it? Or you want me to do it?
Shut it off now?
It's running.
Oh.
The card got full. I had to change the card.
That's not that.
There
There
it
it
goes.
goes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's lighting up, so we know it's working. You get the usual message over here. Okay. Close this out. Close this out. I want you to go start, Jerry. I want you to go my computer first, and I want you to write, whoops, close it again for a second.
Yeah, I'm too bad.
I know it's a hair trigger. I want you to right click, and I want you show on desktop. Okay, close it for a second. Take that and bring it over here. Okay, we're going to be basically working in this area. Before I forget, this you don't need on your machine. Don't click on this so you can right click so you can see what it says. Okay, hit escape. But basically it's saying what operating system, when it was installed, so you have an idea how long you had problems from the time. And down below, if you click on this one for a second, especially when you have laptops, click it, double click it, so it opens up. Double click that for a second. You may want to think something like that on your computer. So at least when you're going through security on an airport, and if somebody claims it, you know this is yours versus somebody else. Okay, close it for a second. Okay, close it for a second. I need you back on the desktop. No, leave it, cancel. Minimize it. Close that out. X that out. Don't need that. Okay. Okay. Go to presentation number 3, B3, 03. Which is that? Okay. Last week, quickly, I mentioned about the brackets, quotation marks, what you should write and type. I showed you the enter, how to write an enter.
Yes.
Thing there. Okay, go down. I mentioned about the colon,
Yes.
or double dots, the forward slash, and the backslash. Now, since we have a bunch of people that are not here, Jerry, just go back slowly up. Okay. Forward slash is also known as an internet slash, whoever's not here. Use that for when you're typing your lines in. Go down below, bring it down a little below. Backward slash is known as a path slash. A typical example of writing a line would be something like this for XP. Stop. C, documents and settings as a folder, username or user, my documents, my music, as an example. If you want to pull up music, if you want to pull out the documents, you can do it there. The dot, we'll show you in a few seconds, but you need the dot. It's basically defining 2 words. Okay, close it out for me, Jerry. Minimize that. Okay, close this out right now. We don't need that. Okay. I'm going to show you another way of shortcuts. And this is basically if you send something over the internet, came over the internet, and it's more like you needed a printer driver and it downloaded and it's set itself up somewhere on your machine. When it sets up on the machine, you need to find it and tell the computer where it is so it can do an install. Sometimes the computer will not install a driver that you downloaded from HP or anybody else because it's looking for a specific location and you got it in the wrong location. I'm going to use Explore and put the Explore as a shortcut on the machine. Now, when you're going to see this, you're going to see the word Explorer. For somebody in their wise wisdom, Explore and Explorer are the same words, same functions. So you got to be careful. You can look at me like I'm Greek, but watch it. Okay, Jerry. Shortcut. Go to new shortcut. It comes up with a screen. In this particular case, I know it's on the hard drive, so I want C. Now just type the word C with the double dots. That designates the drive. Semicolon.
Yeah, I know that's what you want.
Double dots is colon? Why did I get it from somewhere that said...
There, I said.
Okay. Somewhere when I went to look at it, somebody threw it up as colon, so that's why. I'm sorry. If I made a mistake, I apologize. You see the word browse? Click on browse, Jerry.
Oh, click on browse?
Yeah. Okay. Now it's saying to me, go drill down to where you want to go. In my case, I want to go to my documents, so I got to make up that. I got to click on that. No, you're not my documents. Back it up for a second. My computer. I'm sorry. It's in a hard drive, so I know it's in the C drive. So I click on there. Go down a little bit, Jerry, because I got to get into Windows. Click on Windows. Now it's starting to go down, and you got to go past all the folders, and you got to go and look for the word Explore. Okay. Now you got two Explorers. One's a folder type and another icon. In this particular case, I know it's there. If I had the computer right now will not allow me to see hidden folders and files. So I don't know that the real word behind here is .exe. .exe is an executable file. Okay, highlight this one right there. Just highlight that and say OK. And it comes up here in the screen. Okay, click next. Okay, I want you to back out of here for a second.
Back out of here.
Yeah, just backspace. Whoops. No, go next here, and then would you hit the back up, the back key?
Delete?
No, not delete. Just backspace. Back. No, you don't want to do that because it'll screw it up.
What do you want me to do?
You mean the word you want to delete?
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now, normally I do it this way. No, I can do it. One second.
Oh, you're giving me that.
Oh, sugar. That'll teach you.
Can you undo?
You want me to minimize the...
Yes, minimize it and see if we get the other one back.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm not going to go a little further into it, but in retyping, normally it would be Windows, brackets, the small word file, and then the word Explorer. Okay? Click on it, Jerry. Look familiar? Yeah. But the word was Explorer there, not Explore. Okay. Now, I want to show you something. Close off my documents at this level. Go to my computer and expand it. Go down to this one here that says Compact Notebook, which is the old drive. Click on Documents and Settings, and click on Bill. Click on Bill's Documents. Go right up on Bill's Documents on it right there. Just highlight. Go View, List. You could go better, but that's right. Okay. The previous hard drive, all the data for the compact is over there. I can recover that data. So if you got a failure, think about it. Now, what I showed you was a basic idea of how to recover your data. Now comes the next joke, which a lot of people, how many people are backing up every day or think they're backing up using some of the backup programs?